Hello everyone and welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Crystal Waters Nourishing Body Butter in Sage and Cedar scent. This is $1.25 at your local Dollar Tree. It's 3.4 fluid ounces. I love the packaging. And this body butter has a light woodsy scent. It's not high-pitched or overpowering at all. It's a thick, creamy consistency. It's very moisturizing and it absorbs quickly into the skin. There's no oily residue left behind with this product, which I love. The scent does linger a while on the skin after you apply this, and it left my skin feeling incredibly soft, even on to the next day. This is very, very nice. I love the scent of this. A little goes a long way. 10 out of 10, I would definitely repurchase this again, and hopefully they bring the body butter out in new scents as well. They also had a shower gel to match with this, and it was kind of small. I didn't pick that up, but I'm so happy that I picked the body butter up. It was great. I hope you guys enjoyed the review, found it helpful. We'll try the product out for yourselves. If you have any other comments or questions regarding the body butter, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thanks so very much for watching.